Hello, this is a tutorial of how students are to take AR test using the Renaissance Learning app. First, they have to go to Schoology and log in as a student with their LUSD email and password. Once they sign on, the easiest way to find Renaissance Learning is to click on the waffle on the top. So after the magnifying lens for search, you'll find the waffle here. And the Renaissance Learning app has an R in it. Click on that. Now, it is possible that you'll have to hit on Launch App if it doesn't launch itself, and a pop-up window will appear. It might be appearing in front of the window that you have open or behind. So the orange button is the accelerated reader button that you need to click as a student to take an AR quiz. So enter the information of the book that you want to take your quiz on. If you check out a school library book and you open up the first page, you'll find a quiz number. So it's a lot easier to punch in the quiz number than having to enter all the information. So I typed in the title that I'm interested in taking a test on. So I'm going to search it. And I see here that the book is worth 6 points. So I'm interested in taking a quiz. So I click on Take Quiz. These quizzes don't count for AR points, but this one does. This is the blue one. Start the quiz. If you tried, this is totally a survey, doesn't count for any AR points. If you try to take the AR quiz outside of the window of 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., it'll ask you for a monitor password, which is protected. So you have to come back and take a quiz during the window that is allowed. I'm going to bypass that just to show you how the AR quiz looks like. So the questions are reading comprehension questions, and you want to get a passing score, like 70% or higher, I believe is passing, or you will not get AR points. Of course, if you get all of them right, you'll get the full amount of points. This book is worth 6 points. So if I get 10 out of 10 questions correct, I get 6 points. If I miss some, then I'll get partial points. Anything below 70, you won't get any points at all. On the Accelerated Reader My Progress section, you'll see how many points you have from the books you read, how many are fiction and nonfiction, and just really cool data information. One thing I want to show you about Renaissance Learning app is the My On button. My On button is really great because it'll give you a catalog of books that are available to read digitally. You could also listen to the books and then take an AR quiz on them when you're finished. The only thing I would advise if you're using MyOn and you're reading articles, those will not count for AR points. It may count for AR points in the platform, but when our librarian pulls out the reports, she filters out any AR points that are based on articles. So make sure that you take AR quizzes on books if AR points is your goal. When you go to our school library, all the books are color-coded based on the AR level of that book. So when you're going to the library, take your AR bookmark that I gave you and check out books that are in your reading range. You've been given an exact AR reading level, but your range of what they call optimal growth is books that are just a little bit below your AR reading level and a little bit higher. So that range I circled for you in your bookmark, but you definitely don't want to check out books that are outside your range. Too easy won't challenge you. You won't see growth. If the books are out of your range, then they'll be too challenging and reading will be frustrating, unpleasurable, and your reading comprehension will suffer. So get books that are in your range, that's your zone of optimal growth. Thank you for watching.